that?
Oh, I'll tell you what, we're gonna make an impact, and we're gonna get out of here.
Look down below the surface, down in the deep. We're created using modern magical feats. This laboratory was built by someone so long ago, by whom we do not know. But we creations are but loudly. Cause all the process here within himself we see. I'm sure you see light shining from the outside, and we want out the shadow club. Spirits and shadows, machines like me, crystals and poison. All of us want to be free. We don't want to be down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top. We'll all be caught down in the workshop.
Don't tell me you're going on about this whole escaping the workshop thing again.
You're just blind to the truth, Whale.
No, you're the one who's blind. Don't you understand? This is the only place we can live. Some of you are blinded by your ideals. You can't tell what's in your mind and what is real. Follow this foolish squad on the path you trod. You treat your home as if it's a prison cell. This is the only place where we can dwell. Don't you see? This is the only place where we can be.
I'm the shadow girl.
Steel and shadows, plasma like me, crystal and poison. This is only where we'll be truly free. Down in the workshop. This all better stop. There's no going to the top, or you will all be caught down in the workshop.
Down in the workshop, we're not gonna stop.